Hi, this is Master Teresa, Qi Gong Master. I've written this book called Unlocking Your Happiness Within, Living with the Life You Choose with Qi Gong. It's a #1 international bestseller, and it has a workbook too. So I want you to know that this book is for you. It is a book that can help you to grow emotionally and also spiritually. And it's going to help you to connect with your core energy, the Qi. It helps you to clean the emotions with techniques I'm showing inside the book. And it will help you to find that peace. That peace you've been looking for a lifetime. That peace.